Okay, so today I'm going to go ahead and explain how to use Excel and how to get certain averages and stuff like that. Before I completed this, all the yellow was empty right here. The GPA was empty. There wasn't a chart. It wasn't in alphabetical order. So with that being said, in order to put it in alphabetical order, I just highlighted all of these as such, so forth and so on. And I went right here and I did sort and I did ascending, and it went ahead and it put these in alphabetical order. And I also added my filters, which you could add those first if you want to put them in alphabetical order, but it just lets you use two different features. And I went ahead and clicked filter, and I did by cell, and it went ahead and it gave me these drop down menus, and that's how you can sort whenever you create your own grade book one day. And then, so like I said, I added these up, 50, 50, 25, 25 is 150. Same thing with the test. I added all the tests up. And what I did was I'll go ahead and delete this. So I did equals, and then I can do sum. Go ahead and click sum, and then hold down shift and do B, C, D, and E. And then you do divided by the total number of points. Click enter. Gives me my percent. And I did that for all of these. Right here, I went ahead, if I go ahead and delete this, I can do equals, and I'm going to go ahead and do average since it's the class average. Go here, hold down shift, go all the way down, and click enter. Oh, I went down too far. Go ahead and do equals average, select average, and then hold down shift, go all the way down, click enter, and it goes ahead and gives me my average. Same thing with tests. Right here, I'll go ahead and delete it and go ahead and show equals sum. Hold down shift, boom, 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 boom. Divided by the total number of points, which is 500. Do your slash 500 and click enter. Gives me my percent. Extra credit, whenever you're doing your total number of points, do equals, and you're just going to add up every column. 1, 2, 3, 4. Skip F and do G, H, I, J, and K. Skip L and go ahead and do M. Well, let me rephrase that because I was not supposed to be holding down shift for that. So B plus equals, I'm having difficulties today. B plus C plus D plus E plus G plus H plus I plus J plus K plus M. Click enter. Gives me my total number of points. Bonus is just extra. You don't include that in the total number of points. It just gives them 25 extra points, for instance, with this example. And I went ahead and totaled all my number of points up, and I got my 519. In order to do that, I'll show you. Equals average. Hold down shift, boom, all the way down. Click enter. It gave me my average. With GPA, same thing. But instead, you're going to do equals, I did N4 divided by my total number of points, which is 650 overall. Click enter. It gives me my percent. Same thing for all of these. And the overall class average is 79%. As far as a header and a footer, I did view, header and footer. I've done this 1,000 times. For whatever reason, it will not post. But for whatever reason, it gives me this line. And when you go to print preview, it shows, but it will not show right here. And I've tried and tried. But I do know how to put a header and a footer. And as far as a chart, I went ahead. Okay, I'll go ahead and delete that and just redo it. Go away. Go to charts, and I clicked column and clustered column, and there it is. And, well, I take that back. I'm going to come up here, hold down shift, highlight it, column, clustered column. There we go. Now I'm going to go ahead and move this down. And if you see, all their names are right here in their colors with their test, total GPA, and everything like that. And that's how you work a grade book and charts and everything. So I hope you enjoyed it.